Happy Thirsty Thursday! I'm coming to you live from South Florida where spring break is on and poppin'. Today we are going to be making 3 fruity yet boozy, potent cocktails that are perfect for you on spring break. The first cocktail we're going to be making is called the Cosmic Slushie. This is a fun take on the classic Cosmopolitan, but instead of cranberry juice, we're going to be using Cranberry RedBull. Get that boost. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go ahead and get our blender. We're going to pour 2 ounces of vodka, a ½ ounce of triple sec, a ¼ ounce of lime juice, and then 2 ounces of our Cranberry RedBull. Now we simply add the ice, and it's time to blend it up. It's like a snow cone. I love it. Garnish it with a lime wheel, and there you have it, the Cosmic Slushie. So the next cocktail we're going to be making is called the Zombie, and this cocktail is as deadly as its name. It's also a great cocktail for you spring breakers who I know y'all are balling on a budget. Have one of these and you're done. We're going to do equal parts of light and dark rum. A little bit of apricot liqueur. We are going to do equal parts of orange juice and sour mix. Shake it up. Pour it into our glass. We're gonna float a little bit of grenadine to the bottom of the cup. And top it off with some 151. Last, we're gonna garnish it with an orange and a cherry. And there you have it, the Zombie. Woo, strong. So last but definitely not least, the next cocktail we're making is called Rocket Fuel. This is also a blended cocktail. So we're gonna get our blender and we're gonna start with 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of both dark rum and Amaretto. A nice heaping tablespoon scoop of cream of coconut. Add the ice and blend. We're gonna garnish it with a cherry, and then here's the fun part. We're gonna take a little bit of 151 and pour it directly into your straw. And there you have it. Cheers! Oh! Wow. That went right to the head. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. We post videos every Thursday. Cheers! Alright, now go get y'all's tan on. You know what I'm saying? I know it's been snowing everywhere. All you tourists need to go out and tan those pale booties. Get you a tan.